If a unit vector A and B inclined at an angle theta, what is the magnitude of A minus B? So over here you can observe that A vector and B vector are unit vectors. That means the magnitude of A vector or A cap is equal to magnitude of B cap, that is equal to 1. So you might be remembering that when two vectors are same, the equation for their subtraction is nothing but 2A sine theta divided by 2. So if anyone is having about doubt about this one, you can just observe that video lectures related to vector subtraction. Say that over here the value of A is equal to 1. So this is going to be 2A into sine 2 into 1 into sine theta by 2, or we can take it as nothing but 2 sine theta by 2. So remember the equation for subtraction and addition when the magnitude of two vectors are same. If magnitude of two vectors are same, the equation for addition is 2A cos theta by 2, and for subtraction it is 2A sin theta by 2.